Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a booking website for free. For example, this is one that I created earlier. So all your customers will do is go onto your website, tap on book now. After they have done that, they will be able to select the service that they would like to book. Then they will tap on continue. After doing that, they can select the date and also scroll down and select the time of the appointment. Then tap on continue. After doing that, they'll be prompted to fill in their name, phone number, email address, and if they have any special message they would like to send, they can tap on message and they can fill it in, then tap on complete booking. And also with this platform, you'll be able to set up auto reminders. So that means that your customer will be sent a message or notification right before their appointment is due. So this will allow them, if they would like to cancel, to let you know beforehand, and this will also prompt them to remind them that they have an appointment with you. And the platform that we'll be using to do all of this is heygoldie.com. And with heygoldie.com, as I said earlier, you can get started for completely free. On their free plan, you'll be able to accept 20 appointments per month, and you'll also be able to download and use the app on unlimited devices. You can accept online booking, but with the free plan, you'll be only able to set manual reminders. But in the future, once your business takes off, you can start using their automated reminders, and you'll also be given more marketing features and message templates. And their paid plan starts off at $19.99. But for now, I would recommend that you use their free plan. Whether you're a barber, a hairdresser, nail stylist, or any one of these occupations, and you want a booking website or a tattoo artist or pet groomer, this is definitely the platform for you. All you'll need to do once on heygoldie.com, you can select, let's say, for example, tattoo artist. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, or if you don't see the occupation that you would like to create it for, you can just select any one of these random occupations, or you can just tap on get started. The steps are basically the same. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on get started in the top right hand corner, or get started in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And by the way, to sign up is quite straightforward. All you'll need is your email address, or you can sign up using your Facebook account or your Apple account. After you're signed up, this is how your booking calendar will look. So this is the dashboard that you'll be able to see the appointments that your customers have booked and also the time. Now to upload or better to add the services that you offer, you will need to go over to the left hand menu option. From here, you can tap on the second icon from the top left hand corner which says services. Then you will be redirected to this page and you'll see some preloaded services, and you can edit these by simply tapping on the pencil icon, and you can fill in the service name that you offer, description, and you can also set your price right here. So let's say, for example, $100. Then you can set the duration also by tapping where you see duration. So you can do that right there, and then you'll tap on save. If you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you could tap on add new, then tap on add service, and you can fill in the fields, for example, the service name, description, price, and duration, then tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. And if there's a service that you would like to delete, all you have to do is simply hover over the service, then tap on delete to remove a particular service, as you can see right there. Once you have added all of the services that you would like to offer, the next thing you're going to be doing is going over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on online booking, and online booking is the fifth icon from the top left hand corner. So you'll tap on online booking, then you're going to select activate online booking. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you will see your website URL, and this is the link that you will be sharing to your potential customers. You can edit this link if you want by tapping in the box. You could make changes. You can also change your business name. And if you'd like to add a logo, you can do that. So if you'd like to create a logo, a good website that you can use for completely free as a beginner is canva.com. With Canva, you'll be able to sign up using your email address, and you'll also be provided with templates that you can use. Or if you would like to add a photo, you could tap on add photo. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down and you can add your business address, phone number, and you can also add your different social media platforms. So for example, you can add your Facebook and Instagram links right here. After doing that, you can set up your opening and closing hours and also the days of the week that you'll be offering your services. So you can select the different days. Let's say we will be open for 5 days of the week, and we'll also open and close our business. We'll open at 8 a.m. and we're going to be closing at 4 p.m. Then you'll tap on OK. After you have done that, you will scroll down, and if you would like to add a specific field that you will require your customers to fill out when they are booking, you can enter the field title. Then you'll tap on customizable field is required, and you'll tick that. If you'd also like to allow your customers to upload a photo, so let's say for example you're a hairdresser or a tattoo artist or whatever occupation, and you would like them to upload a photo before they come in, so you can, let's say for example, see the condition of their hair or so on. You can simply toggle allow adding photo right here. Then you will tap on save. After you're finished doing all of that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more. You're going to tap on online booking. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a page looking like this. And from here, you'll be able to copy your website link, and you'll be able to now share your link with your potential customers. And I would also recommend that you tap on download QR code, and you will download your QR code. By doing this, you will be easier to share it on social media and so on, as all your customers will have to do now is simply scan the QR code. And if in the future you'd like to edit anything on your online booking, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on online booking settings, and from there you can, for example, add Facebook Book Now if you want. You can also set up the booking acceptance. So let's say for example you want to be able to manually accept or decline appointments. You can do that by tapping right there. And also if you would like to scroll down, you can see right here you can set up cancellation time frame. So if you would like to allow your customers to cancel or reschedule booking, you can do that by toggling this on. And you can also set up the time span which they have to do that. Once you're finished, that's it. You'll now be able to share your link or QR code and start making some money. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.